Meaning of East Sussex.
East Sussex.
East Sussex.
East Sussex.
East Sussex. East Sussex is a county in the southeast of England. Its name is derived from its location to the east of the historic county of Sussex and covers an area of 1,713 square kilometers. It has a population of over 800,000 people and its administrative center is in Lewes. The county is known for its beautiful coastline, rolling hills, and picturesque towns and villages. Major industries in East Sussex include tourism, agriculture, education, and healthcare. It is also home to several notable landmarks and attractions, including the iconic White Cliffs of Beachy Head.